Hello everyone, we are from Team 1. Today we will explain about dynamic and static verb. Before that, I will explain why this material is very important to understanding. The importance of understanding the difference between dynamic and static verb is to help us to choose appropriate verb in various contexts. Apart from that, studying dynamic and static verb will help us to understanding grammar in English, term of verb, tenses, and proper sentence structure. By understanding the difference of the two, it also helps us express ourselves clearly and actively. Therefore, the material in this module is very important to discuss. Apart from being useful in daily life, dynamic and static verbs is also useful to communication and in the field job.
Before going into the discussion about dynamic and static, it would be good for us to know the meaning of dynamic and static verbs, which I will explain briefly. In full, it will be explained in the second chapter. In the journal entitled Role of Dynamic and Static Verb into a comparative study review of International Geographic Education Online. And achievement stats indicates a conditional that while processed with or without energy on becomes a given state applied and a state is a verb which is durative unlike state action. Accomplishment achievement verb may either be durative or immediate. Durative or instantaneous qualities precipitates them to be categorized into two classes of verb, namely dynamic and static verbs.
Dynamic verb. As already mentioned, dynamic verb have the characteristic of being durative or instantaneous. When the verb denotes an energy input, it is durative, and when there is no more energy, it is instantaneous. In contrast, dynamic verb demonstrate action, activity, and temporary of altering condition.
Okay, next, dynamic verbs. Example 1. The door open. 2. The key open the door. 3. She is great wife. Dynamic verbs are the opposite of static verb. They express a real action. Example 1. They swam to the other side. 2. She hit me on the head. Dynamic verb can be used in the progressive tense. Example 1. He is drinking water. 2. He drinks water.
Definition of static verbs. These are verbs that do not refer to something that is in process, hence they are labeled static, referring to the inner mental and psychological status. They are subdivided into two categories. A. Verbs of internal perception and cognition. This category includes verbs that express feeling about, regret, desire, envy, fear, hate, like, long for, mean, prefer, adore, enjoy, wish, and want. Review of International Geographical Education, Spring 2021, and verbs that imply mental states, believe, doubt, accept, intend, interest, know, suppose, suspect, think, and understand. B. Relational verbs include below content consists of cause, depend on, deserve, equal, fit, have, include, influence, lack, matter, mean, all, own, require, resemble, like, suffice. 10. Which labels that as state verbs of having and being. C. Verb that express a physical stance of positive refer to a state instead of an activity. Although they mix into the dynamic, these verbs include kneel, learn, lie, sit, asleep, awake, and stand.
Verb that express no action remain stay and wait. Example, the occasion requests formal dress. The box contains all letters. E. State verbs are usually not used in progressive tense. Example, he wants to see you. I want what to do. However, if the same verb is used to describe an actual action, not a state, then I can be used in the progressive tense example. When the verb have mean own, it is a state, so we do not use in the progressive tense. Example, correct, I am having a laptop. Correct, 2, I have a laptop. When the verb have mean it's an actual action, so we can use it in the progressive tense. Incorrect. I'm having lunch with cat. Correct. I have lunch with cat.
Okay, next I will explain about difference between dynamic and static verb in each word. Dynamic and static verb are two types of verb in language that have different in the way they describe action or states. Here is a brief explanation of the difference. First, dynamic verb. Dynamic verb describe action that can be seen or felt physical. Examples are eat, talk, sleep, run, read, become. This verb usually indicates an activity that the subject is actively engaged in. And second, static verb. Static verb describe states or conditions that are static or unchanging. Examples are like, understand, prefer, job, know, own, same. These verbs usually indicate a mental or physical state that does not involve obvious physical activity. In other words, the main difference between the two is dynamic verb describe action or activity that can be physical, observed, or performed, whereas static verb describe states or conditions that are static.
Hi guys, I will show you about example dynamic verb. 1. I can talk right now. I'm eating dinner. 2. Sorry, I'm out of breath because I've been running. 3. I read the history book in the school library. And 4. I didn't steal the necklace. I was sleeping when someone broke into the shop. Next, I will show you about example of static verbs. 1. I like chocolate but I prefer cake. 2. I don't understanding you when you speak quickly. 3. It seems like something big accident was happened. And last, you didn't know what they mean about the news.